Hello everyone. Today I will start a new chapter, that is limit, and this is a chapter for class 11. Okay, and it is very important chapter for class 11 and 12 also. There is a basic portion of limit. So we'll start the chapter with the concept of limit. So for knowing the limit, first we have to know what is function. Function means, suppose f(x) is equal to x square. That means x square is this is a function of f. Okay. So what will be the value of that function? So it will be f. Suppose what will be the value of this function at x equal to 1. Suppose you are taking f1, it will be, in place of x you have to put 1. So it is the value of f(x) at the point x is equal to 1. So value of f1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. So it will be clear more in the chapter of function. I just giving a small portion, small concept of function first. So this is called the function. And suppose you are taking f of y is equal to 3y. So this is a function of y. Now if you want to find out the value of this fy at x is equal to 2, at y is equal to 2. So what will be the value of f2? That means in place of this y you have to put 2. That means 3 into 2, that is 6. This is the concept of function only, how we will find out value of a particular function at a particular point. This is the only concept for that. Now coming to the concept of limit. So what is concept of limit? So first I am taking a function. Let f(x) is equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2, where x is not equal to 2. Okay, this is a function. Suppose I am taking a value x is equal to 2, means you have to find out the value of f(x) at the point x equal to 2. So what value will come? So f2, that will be equal to, that means in place of x we have to put 2. So that is 2 whole square minus 4. X, in place of x you have to put 2, that is 2. That means you will get 0 by 0. That means this does not exist. Okay, it will not exist. If you will get a value of function that is 0 by 0, that means that function will not exist. Okay, so for that I will find out a value of it. So from finding out the value of this type of function, the concept of limit will come. So how it will come? Now I am erasing this portion. Means in this particular point the value of this function will not exist. So how will get the value of this function? So for finding out you have to know the finding out the limit. Suppose I am writing the function again. So now I am just break it out. So if you will cancel out this portion, you will get x plus 2. Okay, f(x) is equal to x plus 2. And here it is already mentioned that x should not be is equal to 2. Means except 2 we can take the value of x anything except 2. Suppose I am taking a value for x, that is 1.9. So if I will take the value of x 1.9, so what will be the value of f(x)? Your f(x) is equal to x plus 2. Now you are taking in place of x 1.9. So what will be the value of f 1.9? That will be 3.9 if we will calculate from this function. So we will get 3.9. So if we will take 1.99, so what value you will get? That will be 3.99. Okay. Now if we will take 1.999, so if we will calculate it, you will get 999, 3.99. If we will put in place of x that 1.99, so you will, after adding it, the fx will be 3.999. Okay. Now you can see this is a point that is close to 2. Means suppose this is 1 and this function, this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay. Now suppose you are taking a point not exactly 2, that x is not exactly 2 sorry, but near 2. First I am taking 1.9. So for that, in y axis I have got 3.99. Okay. When I am taking again a closest value to 2, means when I am taking the value which is approaches to 2 or which is nearest to 2, I am getting a value which is nearest to 4. Suppose this line is for 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So suppose I am taking this x plus 2 in the graph. So you will get this type of diagram you will get. So for this is 4 for 2. But when you are taking value of x, all the values of x plus 2 will approaches to 4 but not exactly 4. Means you will get all the values towards 4 but not exactly 4. Okay. So now if I taking a number which is greater than 2, that is 2.1. So if you will take 2.1, you will get the value of fx, that is 1.1. If you will take 2.01, you will get 4.01. So when you are taking again a value greater than 2 but closest to 2, or you can say that approaches to 2, so that value also, the value also approaches towards 4. Okay, the function, value of the function will approaches towards 4. So you can say that we are not taking a value that is not exactly 2 but less than 2 and greater than 2, which is nearest 2. So you will get the value which is not exactly 4 but nearest to 4, which is greater, which may be greater than 4 and less than 4 but not exactly 4. So this is a concept of limit only. Okay. So from here, so you can, what you can write? From here you can write that if x approaches to 2, then fx approaches to 4. Or from here the concept of limit will come, that is the formation of limit will come, that is limit x tends to 2, fx approaches to 4, that means the value of this limit is equal to 4. That means for value of x which is towards 2, the value of function is going towards 4 but not exactly 4. This is the concept of limit only. Okay. From this concept, two types of limit will come, that is right hand side limit and left hand side limit. We will discuss this portion of limit in the next class. Okay.